So today we're at the Toyo Robotics booth and we're going to talk about more about how the company is evolving, helping in India with their automation space. And here we are with Mr. Haider, who's going to explain everything to us. How does Toyo Robotics play a role into the EV mobile manufacturing machine industry?
So as you're aware about the EV, electrical vehicle is play a vital role, as our Indian government itself told that by 2030 we want to install 30% of the EV vehicle in India.
Yes.
And for making the EV is a totally new technology for our country. As a Taiwanese company, and there is a very huge with Taiwan government, Indian government, we have huge understanding. We want to support the EV. So for manufacturing the EV battery pack, what we need, we require the high precision automations. So our product is helping them to achieve the EV battery making process very easy, which is not available in our country.
Yeah. Do robotics play any role in artificial intellect?
Yes, Toyo Robotics plays super important role for the artificial intelligence. So as you're aware about today, we talk about the ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and all those things, AI tools. How this AI tool is come in the picture? We require the semiconductor, and semiconductor so small called 2 nanometer to 3 nanometer. For producing the high quality semiconductor, our product is fully equipped. We make help the machine manufacturer to achieve the 2 nanometer, 3 nanometer accuracy to making the semiconductor. So the semiconductor is the product which produce the AI. So we are supporting the directly and indirectly the AI ecosystem. Apart from this, we are also Apple certified supplier globally, not only in India.
How does Toyo contribute to the carbon neutrality in the Toyo robots production sector?
As you are aware about now the climate change has become like a big challenge for this generation as well as the next generation. This generation will not facing so much issue, but the next generation we are going to face this issue. But as a Toyo, as a company, we decided to support the carbon neutrality.
Definitely.
So as you are aware about for making the high automation, earlier we were using the pneumatics. We are moving everything to the electrical, plus the power consumption required by the pneumatic product, suppose 100, but in case of our product, the power consumption required by 40 to 50%. So totally 50% power consumption is reduced. Eventually, the less power consumption, less carbon emission, which will help us our planet too much to reduce the carbon neutrality.